Hey fellas, and welcome to my videos, my channel, and we have the problem, I don't know, all this Mother Earth, and this circular saw is just not working. It just shows no life, any of life on it. So I have prepared the controller for this one, but I hope for the customer that it will be not a controller, maybe some simple fault. Okay, let's begin with the handle. Okay, now let's check what we can find here. We can find the, of course, the controller itself, and basically it's not a lot of things to check here because we just have the controller and it's just that. Okay, so if we don't have the signs like wooden wires or something similar, that means we need a new controller. Okay, let's try to check what we have here. Okay, what we have here, we have the armature, of course. I just want to lift it out of here, and as it's brushless, the magnet is pretty strong here. Okay, what can we do here? Basically, yeah, I can put it like that, and let's check what we have. Okay, we have nice field here. Where's my rubber hammer? Yep, and I'm sure we have the same type of field, and I don't know, I got it as the kit from the Makita, and probably it's like a assemble it yourself kit. Okay, so let's check what we have here. We have this one on top. Yeah, it's up written here. Okay, what we have here, let's check. There is one holds the same here. We have the pins for the holes, very nice. And probably we have it like that. Yep. Okay, yeah, looks pretty similar here. Okay, and I got a small screws from Makita. basically I think Makita did this because now I'm able to change only field, for example, or only the controller. But I have ordered the controller by the spare part and got all these parts, so I don't know, maybe it was some change in the manufacturing or something, so I will just replace it and it will be best for me or for the customer. Okay, so now basically I think we can do the pretty simple thing. We can just pop in the field. Let's just make sure that it fits good. You have not inserted it straight. And I have this one. Okay, you'll see, maybe it's needed for the wires, I don't know. Okay, just press it in. And okay, it will be for the air probably, because the fan has the same gap here. Okay, so what can we see here more? Probably we can insert the armature in. Of course, be careful with your fingers. Okay, so what we have now, we have the motor back. Just need to check if everything fits here good or not. It will be nice to spin it around, I think. Yep. Okay, what I can see here, I am struggling to put the armature in, so I will lift it out and we'll insert it. Okay, we'll insert the armature here. Now, as the armature are here, yep, much easier. Okie dokie. So we have a couple of wires here, and let's check. The red one and the white one goes the switch. So probably first what I will need to do here, I will be needed to put the controller into the holder, probably. Yep. So let's go like that. Oh no. Okay. Seems that it will be good here. Okay, or maybe I can put it even like that. And yep. Okay, now the lights will be good here. Yep. take this tiny wire to the LED light, and I believe that it will nicely fit here. Probably it'll go like that. Okay. What we have more left on this one, we have the terminal, which is disconnecting the terminal. Okay, now let's see for the terminal if the battery will go here like that. We have the minus down at the bottom. Then we have the yellow one in the middle. It's a small one. And we have the red one for the positive. Okay, and we need to not to forget the one thing here, to put a sticker. And the sticker is my logo with the date of the repair, so I will know when I have repaired the tool. Okay. So the red one goes here, and normal screwdriver goes somewhere here. Okay, I can't unscrew it. That's nice. We'll take other screwdriver. Okay, for real, found the screwdriver now. Okay, so the red one. And if you don't want to make any mistake, just put a new wire here, tighten it, and then replace the second one. It's less chance that you will make the mistake here when you're replacing one by one. Okay. Okay, let's check it now. We'll put old field away. Okay, all the wires are in places. Or I think so. Okay, let's check. Can you close it easily? Yeah, it closes easily because it's Makita. Okay. Yeah. Can I put this nut? Yep, I can. Okay, so this will go here. Yep. Okay, tighten it. Putting the circlip, releasing it, and okay, probably put it upside down. can do like that, and this will go here, and then we'll put the ring. Now it makes sense. Let's check it. Let's tighten it. Let's put a holding ring. Okay. Release it, tighten it. Okay. The Allen key. And now the battery. Nice, it works. So thank you for watching, thumbs up and bye.